Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji Neil on the Wakwe Zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, Anameke Elunu. I found ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist. And welcome back to another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's get a round of applause for Karina. Good. All right, so thank you, Karina, for sending in your Igbo Name of the Day request. So I asked Karina to describe herself for me and talk to me about, her background, her family, her relationships, things like that. And one of the things that she said that stuck out, because a lot of Igbo names have a lot to do with circumstances surrounding your birth. You know what I'm saying? Like the meaning of your birth and the symbols around your birth, right? The symbology and the things that happened around the time of your birth. And so she said that when she was born, her mother didn't have, a very encouraging family situation. Wasn't like the easiest family situation. And so she was kind of nervous about being a new mother, right? So, but Karina said that when she was in the hospital, or when her mom was in the hospital, giving birth to her, after, her mom was nervous and everything like that. But when she looked down and saw her baby, Karina, and Karina smiled and looked up at her, her mom instantly knew that everything was gonna be okay. When she saw her smile, everything changed for her. And she was confident and happy and, ready to, be a mom and embrace motherhood, right? So because of that, I'm gonna give Karina the Igbo name, Neka. Come on, say it with me. Neka. Good. All right, so you guys ready to translate that name together? Okay, cool. So ne means mother, right? Literal translation of the word ne means mother. And ka means like better than, greater than. It's like a superlative, better than, exceedingly better. You just kind of put that at the end of certain words to show that the word that precedes it is great, or something that's desired, or something that's good, right? So when you put those meanings, you put that meaning together, neka means mothers are great, or motherhood is amazing, motherhood is special, right? So that's the reason, for obvious reasons, that's why I gave her that name, because her mother realized what a precious gift and an amazing gift and an amazing responsibility and opportunity and gift to the world that motherhood is. So that's why I'm giving her the name Neka. And Neka, or Karina, has a child of her own too. So I'm gonna also give her an Igbo name of the day because she sent in that request as well too. So be on the lookout for that. But so Neka. So Neka's names give them the power to be compassionate, supportive, and very thoughtful. Tag and share this video with all the Nekas that you know. Thanks. All right, so was that a good name for her? Was it a fitting name? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So likes are free, so please like this video, share it with all the Nekas that you know, or any friends that you have who might be interested in learning some words, learning some name meanings in the Igbo Nigerian language. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. This is your first time here, welcome. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I post a new video, and just continue to support this channel and spread the word about this. So I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. If you would like your own Igbo name, please let me know. So hit my Instagram, it's in the DM. It's also in like the watermark of this video. So if you have your own Igbo name already, I can feature it on the Igbo Name of the Day. If you would like one, I can gift you one on the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Hit the bell button to get a notification after you've subscribed, so that you'd be the first to know whenever I make a video about your Igbo name. Thanks a lot, take care, and I will see you in the next video.